Hello everyone! Today we're gonna do unboxing from Philippines! So we would like to thank Mama and Tita Une for this box and also Tito Orek for shipping it here. Okay, so where do we open this? So what do you think is inside before we open?
Donuts. I don't like donuts.
Oh. Oh. Are you okay? Almost there. Okay. No, wait.
Ow. Oh, what is... Oh. Yep.
Okay. So first we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pancit canton. One gigantic pancit canton.
And...
Oh, a bag, a unicorn bag.
What's there? And...
We got 3 cherry fur.
And... Oh!
And so many books.
Jellies. There's chocolate.
And cherry fur. And 2 more pancit canton.
Hey, put it on you. What's this?
I don't know what's that. Show that. And we have 3 dried mangoes.
And this one is... Oh, これ食べたことあるかもよ。
Really? So I don't know whose socks is this. Is it mine?
I want to open this one, please. I want! Ah! What's this?
Oh, it's a letter.
Two?
It's a letter card, Inin. See? Okay, so first you're in.
Can you read it?
You can read it, ne?
No, this one is...
Cursive da kara. Dear Yoyin, I am so happy to have a wonderful granddaughter.
What's that?
What's this? The you?
The you? Like you.
Oh, maybe like you. Stay nice and good. And lovable.
Lovable. What is this? Lovable.
Lovable. I love you. Mwah. God bless always. Love, Mama.
You can read.
Wow, kari-kari. So,
Nothing.
she got
No
this. I don't know what that is. And socks.
Look!
What is it?
I didn't see. Wait, first I see it.
The lipstick.
Ah!
So you got... I think this is for your mommy, this lipstick. I heard mommy asking for lipstick.
But I want this.
To my awesome grandson.
Hey, this one is mine.
May all your wishes come true. Always remember how much you mean to me. God bless you in all you do. Love always, Mama. To my dear Bunsoy Andre, happy birthday. I love you always and miss you so much. God bless. Love, Mama.
Wow.
So these are all in the bag.
And then, what is this? Smell this.
Yeah, I'm just wondering, why are these in your unicorn bag?
Yeah. I thought there's something special. I want to try this.
That's all for today's unboxing. See you!